Hello, this is my UDS that I built some time ago and used very successfully, and I had the most delicious steaks from it. But it's quite huge, and these side boards, I made them not movable, so it takes a lot of space, which isn't really comfortable. So now I was thinking of, first I show the inside. Hook the hanger on, 2 grates, and that's it. Now I was thinking of making a little bit smaller one with only 1 grate and using some parts of a new very cheap grill to make a smaller version of the smoker that doesn't take so much space and is actually usable in the car, or usable that I can take easily with me. So in this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to work with that. This barrel is a food grade barrel. It has no liner inside, which is quite good. So I will just burn it out for a short while to get the paint on the outside off. And to make it work, I actually have to weld this side shut and cut the bottom out, because otherwise the lid of that grill doesn't fit on top. I could also use, of course, the original lid, but then I don't have so much space inside. So with the raised lid it will be a bit better. Stay tuned. I've just cut the bottom out, and now I'm gonna grind these edges to be smooth. I just finished drilling all the necessary holes except for the wheels. Here's 1 inch air intake, there as well, and there as well. Then here will be a beer opener, here will be the temperature reader, hole for the grid or raster holder, here as well. And here as well in a triangle, so it'll be always lying straight. Now I will start burning it. Yep. I'll keep feeding this and I'll show you again the progress after a short while. I hope you can see. But there, the paint's coming off really nice and clean. It's burning quite good. And this is how it looks like after the burning. Almost completely clean. At the bottom is still some paint here and there. But the sides looks very good. And we're gonna use now this for the corners and then this one to clean up the rest. And this is how it looks like after I clean it with the grinder. Not much spectacular stuff to see, but that's it. And now we are... I still have to make 2 holes for the handles here and on that side. This will be the front. I forgot to make those holes, so I'll do it now quickly. And then the first layer of paint will go. Here it is all painted. 3 layers outside, 2 layers inside. I already put the wheels there and the exhausts. I sprayed the exhaust as well black, except for the handles, they are red. Here will be the thermometer, and a beer opener. But first I'll let the paint dry. This is the basket. I tack welded it around the edges and also there. It is small, but then again it's also a small barrel, so should be okay. This pizza pan will be under it for the ash, and that's what I'm gonna do now. And this is my basket. I temporarily handle till I find something better. 4 screws. Just a little bit higher so it's off the bottom. Some space for air to come in. Wow. I want to do a quick test if this thermometer is properly working. I bought it quite cheap off eBay. So this water is boiling now. Let's see. Should be 100 degrees Celsius. And let's see what happens. Well, goes up. 50. 70. 75. 80. 'And it stops at 80. It could be. The water's not boiling in the glass, so good enough for me. And we are done. So the lid has 3 exhausts. I hope you can see them. Plus this one. I made it red so it matches the intake holes. Inside we have 1 rack. Okay, and charcoal basket. And 3 1-inch air intakes. I made them also black. Just left the handles red. Got a beer opener and a thermometer. Here they are next to each other. Left a big one, right a small one, new. I'm quite happy. Time for a burn test. My coals are pretty hot, so I'm gonna put them in the basket. And put them in the new UDS. we go. Three exhausts open, this one closed, every intake also open. It is 3 minutes later and we are at 110 degrees Celsius or 230 Fahrenheit, and it's a bit stable now, not much rising. So I'm gonna open this one, see if that makes any difference. "20 minutes later and we are on 225 Celsius or 425 Fahrenheit. 45 minutes later, 190 degrees Celsius or 375 Fahrenheit. More 370. Still going strong. It's 1 hour now and we're still at 270 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius. I'm gonna close one of these intakes and see how that will affect it. It's 15 minutes after I closed one of the air intakes and it dropped a bit, about 10-15 degrees. So let's see what happens if I close another one. Back in 50 minutes. Another 50 minutes later and it dropped to 140 degrees Celsius or 275 Fahrenheit. No, 285 Fahrenheit. So it's quite a lot of influence. I will now turn both open to see if it also goes up again. And I'm gonna open my first beer. Ha. Proost! So it's half an hour after I opened both ventils and it's back on 190 degrees Celsius or 370 Fahrenheit. So it looks it's quite stable. Okay, I think this is it for the testing. It's already quite late. In total it's running now for 2 hours. Let's see how it looks inside. Looks like halfway down the coals. So it could be at least another 2 hours. I'm happy with my testing and with this barrel. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next video. Bye.